Hi, I'm Shin Tseng. I'm one of the co-founder of Urban Agenda Design. I'm also in charge of the design concept of Block E at the 5. This is the architecture that was designed 30, 40 years ago. It is quite a environmental responsive architecture to save energy, designed for that purpose, to filter sunlight, to create this cozy, cooling environment for workspaces. At the time, they were trying to be more environmental friendly and sensitive to the environment. So we feel that is the main architectural elements that we want to bring forward and preserve while upgrading the design in a contemporary way. So we work on a lot of reconfiguration of internal spaces, looking into taking out the floor plate to create double volumetric spaces, try to push the boundary of the building in and out to create perhaps a blurred area between alfresco and indoor dining, try to create natural ventilation, which is again a step up from what it was originally designed for. We see that potential as a future community food hub, which we would like to nudge towards the direction by creating a friendlier space, a space that people can come and socialize while having these natural ventilated spaces that people feel safer to be in. It's a north-facing building, which means that you are getting sunlight from left and right. So by having this screen and the north facade, without having direct sunlight into the space, it is going to have an alfresco dining experience that is comfortable for most of the diners, right? Sitting outside, having natural ventilated space. That leads to duplexes that sitting in 4 corners of the building. And within the building, we also craft out this void area by creating this double volume space as you arrive into the building. Again, it's punched through on the facade so that these spaces are connecting with the outdoor spaces and balcony spaces that we're creating. Upon arrival, you are greeted by the new canopy that is also part of the activation for perhaps the whole development of Block the 5, because it's linking Block E to Block D and recreating this connection for pedestrians and also connectivity on the ground. So all in all, these are the components that we're putting in, try to get out of a typical commercial property design, that blending in this community element that encourages social life interaction, which is going to work really well with the new dining experience as a whole. So what we did was recreate these 4 corners as duplexes by connecting first floor and second floor. That allows this internal connectivity individually, and then you are looking into potential having a duplex loft kind dining experience for future restaurants. And also that allows the middle part of the building, which is now serves as a courtyard by taking out the floor plate in the middle, then further connects these 4 duplexes in the corner and having this new interaction between the dining spaces and restaurants, which you find it really interesting in the future when it's fully occupied. Then you can see interaction from each of the restaurants.